Hi guys, so I just received the cloth and paper subscription box in the mail. I'm kind of surprised because it's snowing outside and I thought there'd be a delay with the mail, but I'm so happy to report that it's not. And I kind of wanted to do something a little different this month. I wanted to actually unbox it with you guys to get like my initial reaction. So this is what the box looks like. And I did not look at any sneak peeks or anything like that, so I really wanted to be surprised with you guys as well. So we got, for the February subscription box, task delegation, insert structure, dashboard, own your story dashboard, Resolute dashboard, Pantheon plan dashboard, some quote cards, sticky notes, and some more sticky notes. I'm really excited about opening this up. So of course it comes with tissue paper. The key to success is to start before you are ready. Oh, love that. So true. Ooh, oh, this stuff looks so good. Okay, so first thing we have are these Neptune circle sticky notes. So very cute. Next thing we have is this structured dashboard. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Structured dashboard. Very cute. Next thing in here is own your own story. Another dashboard as well. I love that. It's so aesthetically pleasing. We got another dashboard. What is this one called? I think this one is I think this one is the Pantheon plan dashboard. So pretty. Love that. Very aesthetically pleasing. The next thing that I see in here are these tasks delegation inserts. So cute. You got all tasks, priority tasks, non-priority tasks. So love that. I don't know if I mentioned this, but all these are in the mini HP size, because that's the size of my planner, and you obviously get like a decent amount. Next we have the Resolute, looks like this is a vellum dashboard. So cute. I love this so much. Oh wow. Okay. Wow, these are so nice. Okay, so we got this sticky note, Chateau sticky note with like dog grids, which are so pretty. Then we have Chateau graph sticky note, also very pretty, and porcelain line sticky notes, so also really pretty and conventional. And then the last thing that we have in here are the what are these called? The journaling cards. So let's open that up. Okay, so we have, let's see what this one is. This one is April, I don't know what's wrong with my focus. April 2021 journaling card. And then it says, aspire not to have more, but to be more. This one says, the best way to predict your future is to create it. This one is for the month of April. And this one says change is inevitable, growth is optional. So love that. So definitely worth it this month. I don't know, maybe I would have liked to see like one or more 2 inserts, but I think they made it up in terms of like having so many sticky notes this month, which is awesome and great. So if you're someone who loves sticky notes, this is going to be a month that you definitely love and enjoy. So yeah, this is pretty much everything that we received. So let's just recap what we got in this month's box. So we have the journaling cards and the quote cards. We have the sticky notes. We have one type. Then we have the graph sticky notes. Then we have the dot grid sticky notes. This is just the paper from the journaling cards. The Resolute Vellum dashboard. The task delegation inserts, which is so cute. This is so pretty. I forgot what it's called. What is this thing called again? Sorry. Oh, Pantheon Plan Dashboard. So there's that. The structured dashboard. The Neptune Circle sticky notes. And Own Your Own Story dashboard. And of course, this pretty inspirational paper, and also obviously this. So in case you want a more detailed view of everything that's on this note card. So yeah, so that is what we received in this month's February 2021 subscription box. This box does retail for $38, and you can pick what size you want in terms of like the dashboards and the inserts, which is really, really awesome. And they have so many different sizes, so you'll definitely find a size that works for your planner. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to go take my pups outside in the snowstorm, but I think it stopped snowing right now, so I think it's like much better. But anyways, I hope wherever you are, you're staying warm and safe, and happy and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and let me know if you are subscribed to this month's box, and if you are, then what is your favorite item that you received in this box. So my dog started barking in the background. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!